In this video for the Walker WP645TS-HD Saorview approved combo receiver, I'm basically going to show you how to upgrade the firmware. Okay, there may be other reasons why you may need to do this in the future, but primarily at the moment the reason would be to upgrade from version 1.2 to 2.3, and the reason for this is that the version 1.2 of the firmware is not actually Saorview approved, but the version 2.3 is. And up to now, Walker had sold a certain amount of these units that were not Saorview approved. It was just during when it was going through the approvals process. So by upgrading to 2.3, basically you'll turn your box into a Saorview approved combo receiver. So basically you can just go to the product page for the Walker WP645TS-HD on the tvtrade.ie website and go to the downloads tab, and under that then you'll see the firmware that will upgrade you to 2.3. Now obviously you'll only have to do this if prior to this you were on version 1.2. So all you have to do then is transfer this firmware onto a memory stick, and just when your box is on, all you have to do is simply plug it into the USB port on the front. Just give it a few seconds to initialize, and it will automatically, you don't need to do anything at all, it will automatically pick up this software and basically just start the firmware update. Okay, now I'm kind of faking this a bit because you can see there this software version is 2.3 and it's reverting to version 2.3. Basically I'm just overwriting another 2.3 box, but if you had a box that was version 1.2, obviously that blurb on the screen there will be slightly different, but the process is exactly the same. So I just don't have one to hand at the moment that is 1.2, so we'll just proceed with this. So it's a fairly quick process. Now the only drawback of doing this is if you do this it will wipe your channel list, okay? But we at TV Trade have again provided more software where you can just download it and you can actually pre-program your box in a matter of seconds, and there's another video in this series showing you how to do it. And basically then what you'll end up with is all your UK channels pre-programmed into a convenient order with a lot of the the rubbish channels removed. So all you'll have to do then is just do an automatic terrestrial scan and you'll be up and running. So you can see there it's fairly quick, and it said please remove the USB device and press OK to reboot your receiver. So I'm just going to take out the memory stick and I'm going to hit the OK button. And the box is just rebooting there now. So it'll probably take maybe 30 seconds or something to just boot up. So we'll just wait and see what happens when we come back up then. What should happen is it should just come up at a first time installation screen where you could do everything manually yourself. But I can tell you from my own experience, if you're going to start doing it manually, like scanning in all the channels individually and stuff like that, it's going to take you a very long time. So you're far better to use the other video in this series that deals specifically with version 2.3 and how to actually program your receiver. Now the reason it's after coming up with this is I had channels on it on 2.3 already, but I know from when I did this before, if you were on the prior version it will come up and it will basically say first time installation, but you're always better anyway after a firmware upgrade to wipe the box. So I'll just show you this quickly. So this will do kind of as a factory reset or to wipe the box. So you hit the menu button, go to setup, installation, and you can arrow down to first time install, and I want to delete everything that's there. So that's just another little tip actually, I forgot to mention that as I was going through. So when that comes up a first time install, then you can use the other video that we have in the series to show you how to program the box using the USB key. And it's basically just, it's a hidden secret menu. No matter, wherever you are in the box, whether it's first time install or if the box is actually on and things like that, all you have to do is press the menu button 2323 in quick succession, and it pulls up this secret hidden menu where you can do a few different things. But one of the things you can do is you can load a pre-programmed channel list onto the box, or you can actually back up your channel list onto a USB memory stick. So it's very handy like that. And again, that wasn't available in 1.2, that's only available in the version 2.3 that we've just installed now. So there's a few different reasons why you'd want to do that. So we basically covered them there, and there you can see now the first time installation menu has come up. So that's basically it, how you can upgrade your firmware on the Walker WP645TS-HD Saorview combo receiver from version 1.2 up to version 2.3, and perhaps in the future a higher version.